In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to YouTube using your Gmail account. We'll walk through each step so you can easily access your favorite content and make the most of your YouTube experience. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you usually use to surf the web. In the address bar, type in youtube.com and hit enter. This will bring you to the YouTube homepage where you'll find an array of trending videos and customized content suggestions. Now, direct your gaze towards the top right corner of the page. There you should see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to the world of personalized YouTube features. After clicking the sign in button, a new page will open up, prompting you to enter your account details. Here, you'll need to enter your Gmail address. You know, the one that typically looks like your email at gmail.com. After doing so, click the Next button. This step is crucial as it connects your account with Google's services, including YouTube. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your Gmail password. Make sure you type it in correctly. Passwords can be quite case sensitive. After you've entered the password, click Next again. If everything is correct, you're almost there. If you have two-step verification enabled, you may need to complete an additional security step. It could either be a prompt on your phone that requires your approval, or a code sent via text message. Follow the instructions provided, which are designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've successfully navigated these steps, you'll find yourself back on the YouTube homepage. This time you should notice your Google account icon in the top right corner, where the sign in button used to be. It's a reassuring sign that you're properly signed in. Being signed in has some distinct advantages. Your Gmail account is now seamlessly linked to YouTube. This means you can interact with the vast community by liking videos, leaving comments, subscribing to channels, and even uploading your own videos if you're feeling creative. And there you have it. You're fully signed into YouTube using your Gmail account. Enjoy exploring, creating, and connecting with others without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, explore the wonders of YouTube.